got bigger?
Oh, Mom, I got one.
Oh, sick.
I got one, Mom.
Ethan got one. Ethan finally got one. Carrie, look. Damn, we got 3 of them on the line at one time, y'all. You finally caught one, didn't you, boy? What's that, like? Yeah.
Yay!
Got one, yay! 3 at one time.
Yeah, always got me one. Thank God.
Alright, Ethan.
Thank God.
Well, thank God, he said. This is, which one's Ethan? Carrie, but I guess I caught 30 of them so far today. There you go. Come on, here, come in. Got your big one there, don't you, boy? There he is. Whoa. Pull it in before he pulls loose. Whoa. Get up here next to Ethan. I can't believe it either. You got a big one, didn't you? Finally got one, baby. He's a pretty good sized trapper, isn't he? Alright, tell the camera bye.